Oh, shoot. The deal wasn't in there right. The whole tip came out.
Oh, that's what that's
And it messed the whole tip up. Throw that away. And I don't even know if we got another one. Oh, shoot. Boy, I just ordered these too. Woo, thank God we had some more. I ain't even paying no attention to that. That's why I was popping and coming out. So just like that other one, you got to make sure this is in there. So whoever used it last, it was loose. Yeah, make sure it's snug. You can tighten this. Now we won't have that problem. Now we won't have the problem. Now we should be able to just